Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. If you are using Facebook Messenger and now you want to recover your end-to-end encrypted chats, so let's see how can you easily do that. You have to open your Messenger app here, then tap on menu option, then tap on settings option here, then select privacy and safety, tap on end-to-end encrypted chats, and then select previews. Enable this from here, then go back, go for message storage, and you will check your chat history or your date created, and after that you just have to go back, and then your end-to-end encrypted chats will be recovered, or if it's still not recovered, so you cannot recover them again. You can easily download them from your Facebook informations. Now to do that, you have to open your Facebook app, then tap on menu option here, then tap on help and settings and privacy here. Select settings here, select account center, select the option of your information and permissions, and from here you just have to look for the option of export your information. Tap on create export, select your Facebook app profile here, select export device, and now you just have to select customize informations, select clear all for all of categories from here, and once you have cleared all of them, you just have to look for message option here. So once cleared all, and then look for messages option here, and here once you find messages, select that, then select save option, and then select start export from here, and then enter your Facebook account password, then tap on continue option, and after that your messages will be downloaded on your device. You will get a file on your phone, and you can easily get your end-to-end encrypted chats only from Messenger and your file. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.